up, YouTube? It's your girl Penny Savage. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new, which we pretty much all are. You guys seem to really enjoy my why I went straight video, and like the most common comment on that video was, yo, drop a routine. So here I am, because I'm a provider, baby. Yeah. So in order to keep this video from being 30 minutes long, I did each step on one section of my hair on camera. That sounds a little bit confusing, but you'll see what I'm saying. So I show you my sectioning, detangling, drying, straightening, and then sexifying at the end. That's my little super secret bonus step. This is my first time trying to do a voiceover, so like, bear with me. I promise it won't be bad. Pinky promise. Stick with it. And before I forget, don't forget to like and subscribe if you get to the end of this video and decide that you actually do like this video and you want to see more of me. Alright, let's jump right in. This is the Argan Natural Smoothing Keratin Shampoo and Conditioner, and this is the shampoo and conditioner that I regularly use. I got it at Kroger for no other reason than that it was on sale. So there was nothing special about it. I hadn't heard anything about it, but it does work surprisingly well on my hair. And it has like this tingling sensation, like a cooling sensation. I really love it. It makes my scalp feel so clean. And I'm going in with my Garnier Fructis Liquid Strength Damage Eraser Treatment. It's for damaged hair, but I also really like to use it to prevent damage as well, because it does do a good job of sealing in the ends and retaining moisture. And I'm going to add that in again to my hair in the detangling phase, so that's why I'm not soaking it or pushing it through my hair real tough. And I'm just going to knot up my hair and get it out of the way. Now I got my hair all sectioned off. Hey. And this is the deep conditioner that I use, the Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask by Shea Moisture. I use it a couple of days before I straighten my hair, and I do suggest that you use it a few days in advance, because I did have to wash it again to get the heaviness off of it, because that was a super heavy formula. And I'm just going in with my knockoff Denman brush. It's actually made by Evolve. I got it from Walgreens. It's like $8, I think. It works so well. But y'all, I did detangle in the shower first though. So my hair was not naturally detangle free. Right now I'm just gonna go in with my heat protectant, because this I'm about to blow dry my hair, and that's just the Tresemme heat timer. And y'all know I love me some heat protectant. I'm all about it. Heat protectant, heat protectant, heat protectant. And that's just a generic vent brush. I do use the tension method to blow dry my hair. I'm kind of giving it like a little blowout, because the main goal of every step is to get my hair as straight as possible, because I feel like the flat iron should not do all of the work in straightening my hair. And I noticed before, when I didn't use the tension method to blow dry my hair, if I let my hair air dry, something like that, my hair would never get as straight as it does now. So I'm just gonna blow dry it, you know. And I point the blow dryer down because I think that it matters. I don't know if it does, but let me feel the way I feel. I feel like if I blow dry it any other direction besides down, that my hair is gonna tangle up and break off. And I hate it when my hair breaks. It makes me so sad. So I don't know if that counts for anything, but that's what I do. I point the blow dryer down just to be safe. Who knows? I don't, but I'm guessing. And as soon as my hair feels dry completely through, that's why I'm running my fingers through it here. As soon as my hair feels dry, I'm gonna stop with the blow dryer. Whether it's real straight or not, I don't blow dry it any further than just dry, because I don't want to overheat my hair. And I put it in the Bantu knot just to keep my hair straight and tangle free. And you see here why I put it in that Bantu knot. Like, it's even straighter than it was when I finished blow drying it. And yes, we are going in heavy with the heat protectant. Heavy with the heat protectant, y'all. And don't spray this in your eyes, because I promise you, that's probably why I'm half blind now. And I'm taking itty bitty little sections, which I mentioned in another one of my videos. You want to take small sections and pull the flat iron slowly through your hair so that the heat is evenly distributed. And this is sped up. I'm going to show you. Here is where I actually do it in real time. And this is real time here. And my hair turned out silky straight because it was a small section and I went slowly through. And I am done flat ironing. And you see my hair is so soft and silky. But you see how my ends are kind of blunt? I don't like that. And so that's where my bonus step comes in. I like to sexify my hair. Do you see all that body? Girl, yes. Every time I go in with my InStyler, every time to get my hair that little bump, you know, like your grandmama hairdresser used to do. Just bump the ends, baby. Just bump the ends. And once again, we're going to hit it with that heat protectant. Heat protectant, baby. And I'm not taking small sections. I'm not being precise or anything like that. There's no science to it. I'm just, like I said, I'm just bumping the ends. I love my InStyler. I've actually straightened my whole head with it before, but I don't use it to straighten my whole head normally, just because it doesn't get to my roots as well. But I've been using the InStyler on my hair for like 5 or 6 years, y'all. I had the original pink one, and it just died. But I love it to add body to my hair because I'm not good enough at finessing my flat irons to get a little wave, a little curl to it. And I always end up with just, you know, like the little crimps in it. I don't like that. That's not cool. It's not fun. If y'all have any questions about this video or just about straight natural hair in general, please don't hesitate to drop a comment. Let me know. I love to hear from y'all. I guess I do look kind of weird. Ooh, that middle part just kills me every time. All right, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave me a comment. I love to hear from y'all. See you in the next one.